welcome back to Adventure Times UK. We are here at Thorpe Park and we're going to be talking about the sad removal of the Rumba Rapids. Yeah, we now have these huge construction fences up. Yeah, the sign's been taken down for it. We are very sad. Oh, there's a little peeky hole that you can just peek through. It's been freshly painted as well.
Yeah, the whole boulevard, the boulevard, yeah.
Hey, he's looking with sad face. The sign's come down. That's actually really sad to see.
Gutted.
We are gutted, yeah. It's sort of like our last bit of childhood, really, other than
it is and it isn't. But for me, I feel like every park should have some sort of water ride that isn't a sofa, and it's just a gentle sort of ride. And I don't know what it is with the UK at the minute, but we seem to just be getting rid of all of the water rides. And I get it, through winter, like, it's really cold, and then in the summer, it's like people don't tend to ride it like that much through the year. It's only in the bulk of the summer. But in the summer, we get really hot days, so sometimes you just want to splash and not a soak. But the rumours as well, I would have loved to have seen a more modern water ride put in place. However, a lot of the rumours are that it's going to be another coaster.
I mean, it's a large site to have. I'm not gonna lie.
But before anybody says it, no RMC.
It's going to be
absolutely not.
RMC's confirmed.
I mean, to be fair, like, I don't know, with Universal coming, I can understand why they would want another coaster, but I feel like Thorpe needs a modern dark or flat rides, because we were supposed to be seeing flat rides come with Hyperia. That didn't happen. I don't know if it's future plans or what, but that didn't happen. And now with, obviously this is going to be replaced.
If it's going to be a coaster, what would you like it to be?
A water coaster.
A water coaster. I knew you were going to say that.
Or, well, the thing is, I don't want to see a water ride replaced with nothing that has no water to it. Like, Hyperia has, like, the nods to Loggers Leap in the last, like, the drop down or whatever. I'd love to see something that has a nod to Rumba Rapids, but I want to see something water-based. Something that you might get a splash onto, a water coaster, or
do you know what, right?
something like Future Scope.
A nod.
But I think Polton's will.
Yeah, I think Polton's will get that. I think
we'll find out soon.
We will. A nod to Rumba Rapids would be like one of those funfair spinning coasters, you know, the ones that you see the rambling this.
Or just a Ribena themed roller coaster.
Yeah, Ribena ride. Yeah.
No, but in all fairness, I don't like that it's gone. I can understand that they take a lot to maintain, they cost a lot, etc, but I don't like that we're losing water rides.
I would love to see a nice wooden roller coaster here at Thorpe.
A wooden?
Yeah, GCI wooden roller coaster. Yeah, I would. Something similar to Woden maybe,
but do you not,
or even Wicker
Do you
Man,
not think though that a lot of parks are going the same directions? They all sort of, they start with like metal, and then they eventually get a woody, and then it's like a constant cycle, and every park does it. And it's just like,
I mean, there's only so many coasters
not
you can
every
have.
park, yeah, but not every park has to have a wooden coaster. Not every park has to have the hints, the nods, or an RMC. You know, it needs to suit Thorpe. Now, what they could do, and what would make me very happy, is you know, buy Icon from Blackpool. And I know the footing isn't correct, but you know.
You're so bad. Leave Icon alone.
No, it shouldn't be at Blackpool. I'm sorry. I love Blackpool, but it shouldn't be there.
You only gave us Blackpool haters now. You're going to be on to you.
I love Blackpool. I do. I just think out of everything that is there, that sticks out like a sore thumb.
And she told that to a ride host as well.
On the very first day we rode it. He said, "What did you think?" I said, "Oh, it's great, but it shouldn't be here." And even he looked mortified. Chris was mortified, but it's my opinion. It's what I think. I love that they have it. Don't get me wrong, but it doesn't suit the park.
There you go.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it will replace, but I want to see something water-based. I mean, Hyperion technically had some water element
It had
to it.
splashdown, but that's, I don't know if that's
it
working.
doesn't work anymore.
Well,
Probably a Merlin Cup.
we'll go and find out in a little while. But yeah, but I think that's it for Rumba Rapids for us. And yeah, let us know what you think it's going to be here on the old site of the Rumba Rapids.
And everybody says the same stuff as well. Everyone's always like, oh, we want intermittent blinks, we want this, we want that. It's the same old boring shit.
RMC's confirmed. Let's go! We'd love to know what you think of what's going to be taking the place of the Rumba Rapids. Let us know in the comments. With that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we shall see you on our next adventure. Bye!